Hello everybody, today I'm going to explain maximum and minimum values on a graph. Now another name for maximum and minimum values are extrema, and these extrema can either be absolute or local, and I'll explain that. So in this graph, let's start over here with these slopes right here, and these are what you call local extrema, or local minimum and maximum values, and we'll go by the y-axis. So this 7, 4, this is what you would call a minimum local extrema. So 4 would be the minimum, and the 0.58, the 8 would be the local maximum. Now, the absolute extrema, or absolute maximum, or minimum value, we would come down here to -4, -8, and the minimum y value occurs here, so the absolute minimum would be -8. Now if we flip this graph around, obviously we don't have a maximum value because these run this way. There's no absolute because the graph still runs infinitely. But let's say we flipped this graph around and this was at the top. Let's say it would be right here. That would be the absolute maximum value, would be +8, just for an example. So that kind of explains what local and absolute extrema are. Now, if it looks like familiar to me, for me anyway, but this, in the real world, I think this goes really well with respiratory tracking, and it you know, like EKGs, so heartbeats. So if you ever see a heart monitor, it kind of goes like that, and that determines the beating of the heart when it's at rest, things like that. And then when you respirate in, there's another one where it kind of goes up like that, so that we know that this is like the maximum output and input. So this is very crucial in measuring that in circumstances with the heart and respirations. So I think understanding concepts like this really help with that, and are very adamant that they explain the minimum and maximum. Thank you.